होते जा रहा है. People don't laugh, people don't smile, people think that on the face giving any facial expression or even children giving any kind of facial expression is a problem. राजेंद्र कुमार बन जाते हैं, ठीक है? Because of that, this one of the biggest tools that we have of improving relationships is many times not available. Because even when the child is unhappy, he does not show on his face that he is unhappy. Okay, when he is angry, he does not show that he is angry. He goes somewhere else and does something else. Okay, when he is uncomfortable, he doesn't show that. The second tool we will see of understanding children or understanding emotions is body language. The way we stand, the way we walk, the way we sit, everything says something about ourselves. And books have been written on the body language. बता सकते हैं पहला क्या है? क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing?
Commanding.
Yes, commanding. Very good. Second one? Confident. Yes, ऐसा है. This is the way he is standing. Third one? Some kind of action?
Okay. Teasing somebody.
Teasing somebody, okay, or some kind of action. It is there. The last one? Scared, confused, ambiguous existence, etc. This one? This one is defensive. See, this is held like this. This one is defensive. This one is very commanding. This one is commanding. This one is defensive. You can pick it up. Any of the body language books gives it. Depressed, sad, frustrated, etc., etc. The last one is the thinker. Thinking. क्या हो रहा है? This is in a nutshell the body language. The problem that occurs now is there are so many books on body language. Children read more books on body language than parents do. So they understand the parent. कभी पैसा मांगना है, कभी पैसा नहीं मांगना है, they know. Parents don't. Because parents' knowledge in this case is very limited. Yeah. So this tool is getting used in a reverse manner. You are getting it? The first tool, the facial expressions, it has lost its relevance to some extent. And the second tool that we have is being used in a reverse manner. So what else do we have? Some other tools that we have? Words. Yes, words are there, yes. Something else? Something else? Any other tools? Actions. Actions is the body language, the gestures, posture, etc.
Voice. Tone in voice.
Exactly. Very good. Voice is a way of communication. Silence also is a way of communication. Silence is lack of voice. So when you are angry, you don't speak only. That conveys the anger. But again, this is under our command. Because it is under our command, we avoid talking and we avoid communicating where communication can solve the problem. But still we don't communicate. And it is at our command. So now, in a nutshell, what we have done is we have seen three tools. Three major tools of communication which can create a good relationship, which can explain the emotional movement. But first tool of that has lost its relevance. Second tool used in reverse manner. Third tool is at your disposal. So you may use it, you may not use it. And you can use it whatever you do. So what can we do? What can we do? Now we have got a problem. Because there is a child, there is a father or mother. The father or mother is not able to communicate. Because they are not able to communicate, they are not able to understand. Because they are not able to understand, the child takes his own emotional burden and the parent takes his own emotional burden. There is no communication in between. We want to find out some new tools, some better tools, some tools that may not be manipulated so easily. That is what we are going to find out. That's what we are going to do in the lecture today. Any other tools that you can think of? Words हो गया, voice हो गया. You are missing on the most important tool. Tell me what it is.
Habits.
Habits. कैसे करेंगे habits से?
If you have stress, you go out and smoke. If you fight with your wife, you go out and drink. You don't get a contract, you go for beer.
Very good. Very good. So, if we see that a person is going for a beer, then perhaps he is under stress. That is what we can understand. But again, the problem is he doesn't want to communicate with you. In the first place, you don't know when he is going for a beer or when he is going for a smoke. On the second part, the problem is that even if he doesn't communicate, uses any one of these three. Drinks beer, then eats pan and comes home. No smell. You get it? So again there is some disguise. We want a tool that we can use here and now, today. Eyes. Yes, eyes. How? Very good. Can you tell us the expression of this person who is sitting in the third row? You're getting it. You're getting it, right? He is observing. He is observing. You can't see his eyes. That's the point. See, every tool is having a counter tool. The tools that you are talking about is having a counter tool. We can't see his eyes, so we can't see the expressions. Yeah.
You can see the way you hold your palms, your fingers.
Excellent, excellent, very good.
That's because people cannot hide their fingers. They're trembling, their legs, their agitatedness.
Excellent, very good. Excellent. So, how can you use it?
Body language.
No, body language is some. Number of books on body language. What he said is right.
So when you see a robber,
Yeah.
cheater, you will not like this, you do like that, you do
Yeah.
like that, they do all these things.
My
You
goodness.
see criminals like they come
Okay.
daringly and they start abusing and all that, with that posture of
Okay.
threatening you.
Okay.
You see your wife, she'll be yelling, screaming with that.
To some extent I agree with you. But to a great extent no. Because just now when I started the lecture I scratched my nose. Doesn't mean that I'm good at that.
So you are nervous, you did that.
Okay,
This
fine.
is what me.
Fine. I'm nervous. Okay, fine. Something more that you are on the right track. You are just about there. But you are not there. Expression is done. Gestures, expression, facial expressions, etc. etc. This is done. Something that cannot be manipulated, at least so far.
Mannerisms.
Mannerisms to some extent, yeah. But again, when you are sitting like this, when you are sitting in the drawing room, mannerisms don't matter. Unless mannerisms change.
When you give an particular activity, then you can see the mannerisms.
Yeah. And the other person has to do that activity.
Yes.
Yes. So it is a dynamic thing. It depends on the other person.
So in the office, when you give people certain activities, you can judge their capability, ability, capacity.
Yes.
Even when they're handling money or
Okay.
important tasks in the house, when you give children important tasks to do,
Okay.
you understand the activity.
Very good.
Mannerisms.
To some extent, yes.
Yes,
Agree.
yes.
Gestures to ho gaya. That is what he is talking about, the gestures. But again, the problem that happens is, see, for example,
Writing. Writing.
writing. Okay, I don't know how many people are 50 plus here, but those who are 50 plus, you will see a habit, at least only in India.
Hardly.
This was, I think, Pran.
Hardly.
This was, I think, Pran in one of the lectures. Right?
Cup your car.
Yeah, and because of that, that becomes a very strong habit in the people. Okay? That's why the problem that occurs is it directly goes into the mannerisms. But even though it goes into the mannerisms, it is not giving you a clue. It is basically what it is this is exactly the difference between a person who is confident and person who is diffident. Only the height. The reason being, it is a mannerism which is copied from some movie. So it tries to show that person as somebody equivalent to Pran.
So in dance, you could take.
Yes.
How the person dances, you can know the character fully of that person.
Well, okay, it can be debated. Fine. Let's see. Something more closer, something easier, something simpler. What simpler that you are still using?
Handshakes.
Why don't you shake hands with the person next to you?
Never shake.
Yeah. What is it?
Shaking hand.
Yeah.
That is also we can identify with.
Exactly.
Because grip is there.
You are telling my point only. That's exactly what I am saying. Shake hands and touch.
Yes.
Touch is one of the most important things.
Grip of this.
Right. Yeah.
We are there.
Yes. Again, as I said, this lecture is not about theory. So why don't you shake hands with the person next to you?
Never. Don't
Why?
shake.
Why?
In Ayurvedic, you exchange your energy.
So?
Negative energy you
Okay,
take.
you don't shake. I do. I have no problem. I have Shake hands with the person next to you. You might be able to understand the next person. Okay. Now when you're shaking hands, yeah, shake hands. She's a girl only. Yeah.